Hello everybody, today I love Acellus.
Silent. Silent. Tiếp tục đi học.
Who learning this?
Hai á.
Không.
Hai á, học lại.
Who?
So in this course, we're going to be talking about coding. Imagine if you had a superpower where you could add up numbers perfectly accurate 100% of the time, faster than any human being. Or imagine if you had the power to send signals really far away to your best friend. Well, it turns out that with coding, you can do those kinds of things. Coding is all about telling computers what you want them to do. And just like a superpower, you can do amazing things. All you need is a little bit of knowledge and a lot of good imagination. Let's think about some computers around us every day. What about our microwave, or the refrigerator, or even the car, or a smartphone? All of these are examples of computers. And in different devices like the microwave, the computer has a special mission. Its mission is to make sure it cooks the food for the right amount of time. In the car, the computer does a lot of different things, like tells you when there's a problem with the car. Or on some of the newer cars, the computer might even drive the car. All of those computers had to be programmed. Someone had to decide what the program was supposed to do, and they had to write that program. And it took knowledge and a lot of creativity. Computers can do amazing things, but only as amazing as the things that you and I think up for them. So let's jump right in on this exciting adventure.
When the part is clear, move forward. Okay, I will read the lesson manual. Big idea. Coding involves telling a computer what you want it to do. What can coding do? Coding allows computer to send message. Coding allows computer to do tricky math problems. Everything a computer does is done with coding. Example of computers. Computers are found in all of these machines. Microwave. The computer tells it how long to cook the food. Car. The computer tells it how to turn the engine on and off. Fridge. The computer keeps the inside cool. Smartphone. This computer can send messages, make phone calls, and access the internet. What other types of computer have you seen or used today? What is this one? Maybe a calculator. It tells us when we add up number. It tells us what the answer is. It looks like a computer. Like 1, 2, 5 plus 1 equals. It's like a computer. Turn on.
this course, we're going to be talking about coding.
Coding.
Imagine if
Imagine
you
having
have a superpower where you
superpowers.
could add up numbers perfectly accurate, 100% of the time,
100%
faster than
faster any
any human.
human.
Or imagine if you had the power
that you have
to
power
send signals
send
really
signals
far away from
really
your
far
best
away
friend.
to the person. Can you get
Well,
your
it turns
cookie?
out
They
that
can act
with coding,
with coding.
you can do those kinds of things.
You do those
Coding
things.
is all about
Coding
telling
is all about
computers
telling computers
what you want them to do.
what you want them
And
to do.
just like a
And it's
superpower,
like a
you can do
superpower. You can
amazing
use
things.
amazing things.
All you need
All you
is
need
a little bit of
is a
knowledge
bit of
and a
knowledge
lot
and a lot
of good imagination.
of imagination.
Let's think about some computers
One thing about
around us
computers now,
every day. What about
What
a
about
microwave,
microwave,
a refrigerator,
a
or even a
refrigerator,
car,
or
or a
cars,
smartphone?
or a
All of
smartphone?
these are examples
Or
of
these
computers.
example of computers.
And in different
And in
devices
different
like the
devices,
microwave, the computer has
the
a
computer
special
has
its
special
mission is to make
mission
sure it puts the food to the right amount of time.
right number.
In the car,
In a
the
car,
computer does a lot of different
there's
things
a
that
lot of
tells
things
you
and then
when
do
there's a problem with the
really
car.
problem with your
In
car.
some of the newer cars,
Or some of the
the
newer
computer
cars,
might even
the
drive.
computer might even drive it.
All of those
All
computers
these
have to
computers
be programmed.
act
Someone
coding.
had to decide what the
Someone has to
program
decide
is
what
supposed to
program
do,
is supposed
and
to
they
do.
had to write that
And
program. And it took knowledge and a lot of creativity. Computers can do amazing things, but only
But all
as
you
amazing
is
as
amazing.
the things that
The
you
things
and I
that you
can
and I
do.
am up.
So let's jump right
Let's
in
jump right
on
in
this exciting
on the
adventure.
exciting journey. You can add a thing. Okay, I wanted to learn. Hello, students.
Today we're going to practice Hello, students. Today we're going to practice counting. Okay? So let's start by counting these bugs. How many bugs are there? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bugs. Let's try counting something else. Here we have some parrots. So let's count the parrots. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 parrots. Let me show you something else. Do you see this little frame here with the little boxes? This is called a 10 frame. We call it a 10 frame because there are 10 of these little boxes. And what we do when we use a 10 frame is we put our objects, one object in each box. And the 10 frame helps us line up our objects so they're really easy to count. So let's try counting these purple counters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer to this problem would be 7 because there are 7 counters. So now it's your turn to go and try some problems.
Hello, students.
Today we're going to
practice counting.
Let's start
with counting
these bugs.
these bugs.
How many bugs are there?
How many bugs are there?
Oh, we have 1,
Well, there's 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5. There are 5 bugs.
Let's start counting some.
Let's count something else.
Then we have some
Then we have some birds.
So let's count this.
Let's count this.
We have 1,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parrots. see this little frame here with the little boxes?
This
It's
called
called sometimes
because there are cats of these little boxes.
you need
And you raise the
objects. One object. And the time frame helps us line up objects.
the objects.
It's really easy.
It's easy to count.
So let's try
Let's try
counting.
counting these problems.
We have 1,
Not 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now your turn.
Your turn to decide this. I got 10.
How many caterpillars are there?
Okay, there is 1 and then 2 and then 3. There's 1 boxes that hold 1 out. And then I'll count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9.
How many butterflies are there?
There are 4 of them. So I got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that's for pens.
How many frogs are there?
There are 1 for this frog and then 1 for this frog. There are 2 frogs. 2.
How many chicks are there?
1 for this chick, 1 for this chick, 1 for this chick, 1 for this chick, and 1 for this chick. There are 5 chicks.
How many baseballs are there?
3. 1 for this baseball, and 1 for this baseball, 1 for this baseball, and 1 for this baseball. There are 4 baseballs.
How many frogs are there?
1 for this frog, 1 for this frog, 1 for this frog. 3 frogs.
How many baseballs are there?
1 for this, 1 for this, 1 for this. Another 3.
Number words to 20. 11,
11,
11,
7,
12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20, 20. Numbers of words. We need 12 cups. How can we write it in 2 ways? In number form or in word form? So those are 2 ways we can write numbers. Number words to 20. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18,
18, anchor,
19,
19,
20,
20,
20. Numbers of words.
number of words. Equal groups. Main concept. When two groups have the same amount of the objects, they are equal. We have a group of pink cups and a group of blue cups. Both groups have the same amount of cups. They are equal. We have two groups of balls. This group do not have the same amount of balls. They are not equal. Groups are equal when they have the same number of objects. Number words to 10. Main concept. There is more than one way to write numbers. We can write numbers as words. One. Wow. 1 and 1. 2, 2. 3, 4, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. I have 10 pens. Remember this. We can write number as words. Counting objects to 10. Main concept. We can count objects to see how many there are. How many leaves do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 leaves. How many pens do we have? Let's count. 5 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10. We have 10 pens. Number was to 12. We have 10 sets in here, and then let's count some more. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 pens in my hands.
We need 12 cups. How can we write it in two ways? In number form?
In number form
or in word form?
or in word form.
Well, those are two ways
So
we
those
can
are
write
two ways
numbers.
we can write numbers. Okay.
Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word.
16.
Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word. Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word. Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word. Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word. Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word. Type in the numeral that means the same thing as the number word.
Bye-bye.